I'm living on this young.
See,
Okay, yo. Yes.
this was how it all happened.
Mazi, Rufus, good morning. Thank you.
Where are you going to?
The go village. My three of my dog died the same time.
Oh, my condolences.
Play me kaput.
Hey, but wait. You're traveling, Mazi. It's very suspicious.
Eh? You want wood man?
It's very suspicious, Mazi. Mazi, you are carrying your umbrella, your very precious property.
Mazi, you collected money yesterday from the compound to pay NEPA bill.
To pay NEPA.
Yes, NEPA. Have you paid?
For the house?
For the yard. Have you paid?
Direct to NEPA.
Yes to NEPA.
Collect money now, but my dog.
This is a hard fact to swallow.
Yes, this.
Mazi, when do you intend coming back from your travel?
You are traveling today. When do you want to come back?
On this dog, you go come back tomorrow morning to pay NEPA.
Mazi, drop the NEPA bill.
Eh?
Mazi, drop the NEPA bill.
Eh?
Mazi, have you paid or not?
Or not?
Mazi, have you paid or not?
Or not?
You want to travel?
Calm down.
Mazi, from the first day you came to this yard with your umbrella.
Rufus, if you come me, no come me criminal.
Okay, well, hey!
Come me, not shouting now. People they sleep.
Where's NEPA bill?
Eh?
Where is NEPA bill?
NEPA bill.
Yes, please.
Calm down now. Come. Rufus, come. Rufus.
I don't like criminal behavior.
Trust don't destroy. I can give you a man.
But I told you now, you cannot be continuing like this. You are a matured man.
See, now dog died. 3 of them.
Where is our NEPA bill?
See, 3 dogs
You
died.
don't even use light. I don't know why they are giving you money to pay bill.
Rufus, 3 dogs die. Epidemic.
My condolence to them and to you.
Yes,
But
so make I go make sure you are so resting.
Mazi, I will raise an alarm.
Mazi, give us the money.
Rufus, where?
Mazi, hey, Mazi, I will call the compound people. And you know them.
Neighbors! Mazi, where's the money? Mazi, where's the money?
Rufus.
You must give us the money.
Rufus.
Neighbors! Rufus! Yes, Itoro. Thank God you're here. My neighbor, I saw Mazi. Listen, I saw Mazi.
Rufus.
Don't bribe me. I am not a politician. I saw Mazi leaving the house. And guess what? Mazi collected our NEPA bill money yesterday. And we all know that whenever Mazi carries his umbrella,
It is finished.
he's traveling. Mazi is traveling with our... Mazi, where's our money? Mazi, where's our money?
This is a case of mistaken identity.
Mazi,
wait.
Mazi,
See, let me tell you.
Mazi,
See, this thing.
Mazi,
See,
Mazi.
See, let me tell you.
I carry this one go.
Very, very suspicious criminal. You are a suspect. Mazi, you are a suspect. Mazi, you are a criminal.
Rufus, you can call me Amber, but don't call me criminal.
That's what you are.
Don't call me criminal in your life.
Mazi,
Don't call me criminal.
look at you. You don't even have a process. Mazi, don't hold me. Mazi, don't hold me. Mazi, don't hold me.
Rufus.
Mazi.
Rufus.
Carry umbrella. Make I tell you, when I epidemic, pandemic, or sanctimonious, or anything where you like. Now this thing they carry our backyard for one day. And they tell you, our backyard 9 years ago, our Soviet pandemic was sanctimonious. But that's wrong. It's the problem is your working street every way. They carry umbrella, they go through pandemic, sanctimonious. I'm a liquid mental.